Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Also welcome back to another episode of Best Out of Waste. Yes, in today's video I'm again going to upcycle an old frame for which we need an old frame of course. Paint brushes, acrylic paints, fevicryl molded, fevicol, blade, a photo, any photo, a clip and varnish. As you can see in this video, the frame is so old that even the patches have come out of it, and I could not even hide it with the ceramic powder because I was not having it at that point of time, so I just painted it. But you can see how old this frame is, so I just painted it and then I started working on it. So basically there's a favorite song in Hindi of mine, एक प्यार का नगमा है. So I'm going to write a quote, the main line of this song on this old frame, and then going to attach a family photo or both. Like I have two photos, my favorite ones. I'm going to attach it to this board, and you will be able to see that in the end. So here I have begun with fevicryl molded. I have already mixed the fevicryl molded and also made the stripes, the strings out of it, so that I just have to write the song, the one line of the song, the line which is favorite. I'm just going to write it with fevicol, and the strings, fevicryl molded strings are already ready. I'm just going to paste it on the fevicol, the lettering. I have already made the borders as well for this. Once the lettering is completed, we will keep it aside to dry for like 24 hours, and after that we will paint those letters. We will again keep it aside to dry for 24 hours, and once the painting is also completely dry, we will then paste the clip at the bottom of the board, and we can then insert any photo or a quote or even a notepad, sticky note. You can write anything. Basically you can insert anything inside the clip. So this is our it's a centerpiece here, because the quote goes best with personalized photo, something or someone which is very close to you. That is the reason I have inserted, I have hanged a photo to the clip. And here, once the entire frame, like the painting is also ready, the paints are also dry, I am going to varnish the entire frame and again let it dry, keep it aside for 24 hours, and then that's it, your frame is ready.
तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ. तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ. आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है. जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. एक प्यार का नगमा है. मन को आना है, आकर चले जाना है. बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है. परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है. जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है. जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. एक प्यार का नगमा है. मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.